So I've got my outboard motor looking new again. You know, I used to keep the boat in the garage all the time. So I'd come back, clean it, put it in the garage, and the boat always stayed really nice and clean. And then I started the last couple of years keeping it down the side of the house, and I put a cover over it, and it was okay, but it, you know, everything was getting weathered. And then last year I didn't put a cover on it, and my poor motor, you know, it wasn't looking that great. But fortunately I didn't let it get bad enough. I couldn't bring it back to looking like new again. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it in the garage from now on. I know the boat's not worth that much, but the problem is the engines cost like $30,000. So although the boats aren't worth very much, you know, if I keep it fairly nice, it's at least really enjoyable to take out and have fun with. So I don't really want it to deteriorate, and I can't really improve on this boat. Nothing's going to perform any better that size with one motor. And how I've done the seating, I've actually got 10 seats in there, believe it or not. I've got to put the upholstery back in, but it's got the 2 bolsters up front, the bench seat behind it, and then 4 seats, 2, you know, in the back where the engine used to be. But it all looks factory. So just a perfect family boat. Anyway, as you can see, it's a little bit of a tight fit in my garage, which means that when I pull it in and out, I'm going to have to pull all my cars out, which is kind of a pain. And I think at some point I might sell my 57, because, you know, the 57 and the 55 are quite similar, both very fast, and I need a bit more space. I've also got, you know, other cars, so I need to downsize.